Hi, I'm Rebecca Nelson, and along with my partner John Pade, we are the founders and owners of Nelson & Pade Incorporated. Our innovation are aquaponic food production systems, which allow people to sustainably raise fish and vegetables in one integrated system without the use of pesticides, herbicides, or chemical fertilizers, all while saving water. Wisconsin, being an agricultural state, is a great place for innovations in agriculture. Additionally, in Wisconsin, we've been able to build a fantastic team of dedicated, hardworking, bright, energetic, fantastic people to help us achieve our mission every day. We are entrepreneurs at heart, so as we developed our aquaponic systems and methods, we partnered with research scientists, schools, and universities to both help on the research side as well as provide education for others. Our innovation was really inspired by a love of fresh food and looking for better ways to grow food that can be utilized anywhere and are sustainable. Most importantly, saving water, utilizing methods that don't require pesticides, herbicides, and chemical fertilizers. I believe every innovation needs to be innovated more. So we have constantly, over the years, continued to improve our systems, our designs, our methods, and we did that through our own research, demonstration, and work in our facilities, in our shops, in our greenhouse, so that we always were providing our customers the best of the best and what worked the most efficiently, most sustainably for our systems and applications.